In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the ignition switch in this Ford 500. This is located in the steering column. Let's get into it. We're going to disconnect the negative terminal on the battery. Use a 8mm wrench, loosen up this nut. Once it's loose, give it a wiggle, slide that off and out of the way so that it doesn't arc out by accident. Underneath the dash, we're going to take these screws out using a 7mm socket. There's another one right here. Those out. We're going to grab this panel and just slide it backwards towards the back of the vehicle. We're going to take this panel off. I want to take these screws out. You're going to use a Phillips head screwdriver. Take those screws out. Grab the cover, should be able to slide it right out. Disconnect the connector, just push down on the tab, we'll slide it forward out of the way. And there's two tabs, there's one tab on the bottom, one tab on the top. I'm going to push those in together. For the bottom tab, you might need something to push in with. I'm just using the extension. You can use a screwdriver. Just slide this out and it comes right out. If you're replacing the ignition switch, you want to compare this little tab right here, make sure it's lined up in the same direction. If not, you can just use a little straight blade screwdriver and just adjust it slightly and slide it into position. And it should lock in place. Take the connector, lock it in. Take the cover, line it up. And just click it in place. That's good. Take the screws, get those started and tighten those down. Line this cover up. Lock it down. Get these screws started. Tighten them down. Take the negative connector, line that up. And we'll take the 8mm wrench, tighten the nut down. Snug that down, give it a wiggle, make sure it's tight, and you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.